In the bustling city of Rome, where the sound of chariots filled the streets and merchants shouted their wares, lived a young boy named Titus. Unlike the other children who dreamed of becoming soldiers or senators, Titus dreamed of becoming a protector, someone who could defend the weak and bring peace. One day, while exploring the dusty corners of his grandfather's workshop, Titus discovered a strange object, a round shield unlike any he had ever seen. It shimmered faintly under the sunlight and seemed to hum softly when he touched it. His grandfather, an old retired soldier, whispered, "That is the Whispering Shield. It is said to hold the spirit of a great lion who once protected Rome. But be warned, only the bravest and kindest heart can unlock its power." Titus, eyes wide with wonder, held the shield close. And the call to adventure news spread across Rome that a band of rogue warriors, known as the Shadow Wolves, were terrorizing nearby villages, stealing crops and frightening families. The Senate was too busy with politics to act, so the people turned to whoever would help. Titus knew this was his chance. He packed a small bag, put on the Whispering Shield, and set off toward the villages. In the journey along the way, Titus faced many challenges. He crossed roaring rivers, climbed steep hills, and navigated dark forests. Whenever he felt afraid, the shield seemed to whisper words of courage in his ear, reminding him to be strong and kind. One night, as a storm raged, Titus was attacked by the Shadow Wolves. But instead of fighting them with anger, he used the shield's power to create a protective glow that calmed the wolves' hearts. The leader of the wolves, a fierce woman named Lara, approached him cautiously. "Why do you show us kindness when we only bring fear?" she asked. Titus replied, "Because every heart, even the darkest, can find light." The peace impressed by Titus's bravery and compassion, Lara and her band laid down their weapons. They agreed to help rebuild the villages instead of destroying them. When Titus returned to Rome, the people celebrated him not just as a hero, but as a symbol of hope and unity. The Senate finally took notice and promised to care for the people and listen to their needs. On the legacy, Titus placed the Whispering Shield in the Temple of Mars, where it would inspire future generations to lead with courage and kindness. His moral of the story: true strength lies not in fighting, but in understanding and compassion.